Hey, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. In this video, we want to talk to you about the so-called notch that we find in today's smartphones. So what's exactly a notch? It's nothing more than a recess found at the top of the display that comes in different sizes and different shapes. Manufacturers are using them so they can make the display as big as possible and the edges as small as possible without sacrificing the camera or sensors. But which components can actually be found in the notch? This varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. Vico and Essential, for example, try to make the notch as small as possible and only place the camera in there. But then they had to find different places for the ear cups and other sensors. Other manufacturers like Huawei, OnePlus and LG have decided to use a larger notch so they can use a normal speaker and normal sensors that you will find in other smartphones too that are not even using a notch. And then there are companies like Apple or Xiaomi who are using a really big notch because they're using special sensors, for example for 3D facial recognition. Can you actually hide the notch? That actually depends on your smartphone model. If you look at the OnePlus 6, you can hide the notch completely. On phones like the LG G7 ThinQ, for example, you can only hide it in system apps. On the Oppo R15 Pro, you have to make the choice because you can decide app per app if you want to see the notch or not. Do you really need the notch on a smartphone? According to manufacturers, yes. In order to be able to build smartphones with bigger displays and that are not too bulky, we really need the notch. Until we see technologies that can actually replace it. So after all, we're kind of in a transitional period right now. But there are some exceptions. Samsung, for example, for the Galaxy S9 and S8, they made the bezels as small as possible without actually using a notch. Xiaomi has completely moved the camera and the sensors to the bottom of the phone to create their Mix series. Oppo and Vivo created some completely new stuff to have motorized cameras that hide in the phone and you don't need a notch anymore. Simple as that. If you want to know more about notches and their use cases, please check our website AndroidPIT.com. But what about you? Do you like the notch? Can you live with it? Or do you hate it with passion? Would you buy a smartphone with a notch or would you rather buy something else? Let us know in the comments. So if you like this video, please leave a like and as always, subscribe to our channel. This is all for this video. See you next time at AndroidPIT.